guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show some quick little project shares, Halloween like ideas, like little things that you can make so that you can send out in Happy Mail. So the first thing, these took me about 2 different nights, not like an entire night, but I call these couch crafts where you can just sit on the couch and do them. I have my little tray of beads and I just have them in here till I know what I'm going to do with them. But I have these cute little square letter beads from Hobby Lobby. Here's the like traditional circle ones. These black ones are tiny, so you can get, I mean, barely pushing a 5-letter word on a single eye pin. But basically I just did a bunch of like words like spooky, rest in peace, boo, eek, dark, dead, bat, scary, rest in peace, did I already say that, candy, Ouija, scary. I even did some of these star ones, like a triple star, double star. I did a ton of those guys. And then I did some of these guys, just like a couple of like flat beads and sparkly beads. These little acrylic bows are from KG Crafts. She had them. And then this one, I just added like a little cauldron. These are from Joann's. The little charms were from a bracelet that I dissected. And then this witch one with the witch boot are in there. And then these ones are those big giant Hobby Lobby beads. I just added some like stars. I still need to cut the wire off of them. Several of these little black ones. I love these like shiny little black ones. Super cute. 2 of those. Then these beads I got at, I think it was Joann's, because I figured they look like spider webs a little bit. I hope that focuses. Like just the, looks like a honeycomb pattern, and then a bead spacer, a diamond bead spacer. So fancy. Again, those bows. Then these little again, I gotta cut that. These little felt black hearts are from KG Crafts. These little candy corns are glass candy corns. I know they sell these at Joann's and at Michael's. And then these little skulls, these are from KG Crafts. I just put like 2 X's next to it for those guys. So that's what I've been working on with those. Next are these little shaker stars, and these were inspired by, her name used to be the Glam Shop Lady on Instagram, but she changed her name now. She is now the Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, Ariel. And you guys, she did a shaker with crinkle paper in it. I was like, oh, it's such a, you know, just instead of sequins, plain Jane sequins, look at, she did these things, the crinkle paper. Yeah, I was lazy. I didn't put a star frame on the back. I was like, too much die cutting, sewing, acetate. I was over it. But look, it's so cute with the crinkle paper in there. It just gives it a completely different look and texture. So I did several of those, and then I love the way these turned out. I did a couple of these spider sequins. These were from Hobby Lobby last year and the year before. I love them. Super cute and spooky. Here's a gold version. And then here's like just oh no. I don't like the way that just clumped up. So maybe don't do confetti. Clumping up. Come on, guys. So yeah, I would probably skip confetti knowing that it clumps up like that now. But yeah. Next are these little embellishments. I was using my thickers. Melissa, who is the Vintage Goose here on YouTube, has a tutorial on how to fold, you know, your scraps pieces of paper into these little strips. I will link the tutorial down below so that you guys can follow, because I did need to follow a tutorial. And then I just added some ribbon and kind of fishtailed the ends of it. So I was just adding little words. I was trying to think of short words and medium words because some of the strips were longer. So I have scary, I have spooky. I left the strings of the stitching kind of just hanging there because the person can just cut that off if they don't like it like that. Because the thickers won't stay on there on their own. You're definitely going to have to stitch over them because thickers are not reliable. But I have, and they're also over the fabric. I have witchy, eek. I added a little like star thingy at the end because it just wasn't a long enough word. It looked kind of funny. I used the word fright, scary, and spooky again. So this is a great way to use up your thickers. All right, that is it for today's video, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.